How much money do I make from YouTube? Does YouTube worth the hype? I'm actually going to expose how much I made for 1 million views in one of my videos. If you are interested, like me, in YouTube tools, tips, how to grow your channel and how to actually make more money, stay tuned, subscribe, and leave a huge thumbs up. Could you please just explain? I have been through a lot of different things while I started my YouTube channel. I started YouTube in 2019 on February and I monetized in only 1 month. I was very lucky. I choose a special niche, which is not something generic, but is something that I personally know very well, which is music and vocal coaching. I started from zero subscribers, and in 1 month only I get 10,000 subscribers, which is incredible. Oh, come on, stop it. And I was monetized 1 month after. I was checking the YouTube studio. I realized I made $5. $5 in that moment, that fast. Makes me realize that this is something that is going to happen for real. I'm not English mother tongue, I'm Italian. This was my biggest concern. Go straight to the point, please. To understand what I'm talking about, you have to watch every minute of this video. But after one video in Italian, I decided to switch my language to English. I am someone that never had troubles with the cameras while I was singing, because I'm a singer. But talking in front of a camera and alone in your room is totally another thing. Italian for me will be much easier. But I decided to switch in English to talk to more people. And this is what happened. In only 1 year, I get more than 50,000 subscribers. What? And also 13 million views globally in my channel. Show me the money. I had a problem. I had some issues about constancy. The thing is that on YouTube, you have to work hard. It's something you can be passionate about, but it's not a game. And you have to play hard. Once you stop your uploadings, you will see a lot of changing on your channel. Luckily, my channel was getting daily subscribers, even without any uploads. I was very busy with my main job, which is a singer on stage. But remember, only previous valuable content will keep your channel alive. So you better listen clearly what I'm going to reveal and why I decide to switch my niche. Seriously? It must be confusing for the viewers. To watch smaller YouTubers makes a lot of money and many others are actually billionaires. The most famous YouTubers like Shane Dawson, Jeffree Star, Jake Paul, James Charles, that maybe makes you think that all the YouTubers that makes 1 million views are rich. Actually, this could really happen, but it depends from your niche. And many other factors will generate your CPM. For example, if you have $1 CPM and you get 1 million views, you earned $1,000. But YouTube take half of that. Now I'm going to show you what I should have done to increase my profit. Let's be honest, YouTube is a platform where all the creators can express themselves. I am a creator and I am someone who needs challenge and who loves to do different things, to improve, to study, and to be in a different place, even taking a lot of risks. I want to make money with YouTube. This video is an experimental one. Let's see if this will work.
3, 2, 1.
So the people who subscribe to my channel listen to me just because they watch me to express some specific emotions or technical details about vocal techniques and singers in general. This kind of niche doesn't give a very good CPM. It really depends by different things that are the factors affecting your CPM. Geography, the country of your viewers, topic, ages, quality, seasonality, and the length of your video itself. But now I'm going to explain you which niches have the highest CPM. There are some companies that have a huge amount of money to spend on the ads of YouTube. And this kind of companies prefers particular niches that talks about finances, health insurance, YouTube itself, or luxurious things, and many other niches. Then it depends from the age of your viewers, from the country of your viewers, because there are some countries, for example, Australia, Canada, and United States, economically stronger with the chance to invest more, rather than other countries like Italy or India, etc., etc. Oh, this makes sense. I have a lot of subscribers from many different countries, from Russia, which have a good CPM, South Korea, Philippines, USA, Europe. But let's see together what happened in this case that I did 1 million views. Well, this is the video with the most views in my channel. I get 1.4 millions, and the total amount in 2 years is 798.60 euros, which is the profit that I get since it was published. As you can see, this video is highly recommended on YouTube. 78% of my viewers finds me through the YouTube suggested video. And the reason why YouTube keep pushing me is because I have an average view duration of 5 minutes, which is a good thing for a video of 14 minutes. So the YouTube algorithm understands that this video is valuable for the viewers. With this video only I get 5,300 subscribers. And finally, drum roll for the CPM, which is 2.99 euros. Which is not that good, but not bad for someone who started without any knowledge about YouTube at first time. I didn't start for the money, and whenever you use third-party content, like in my case, these are reactions, you have to share your profits with the copyright owners. But the sharing profits is very dangerous because I have done a lot of job behind each video that I did. Not only invest in my time, but also buying light setup and some tools that I needed for editing, like Final Cut Pro that I'm using right now. And since 2 weeks ago, I never use a proper camera. I use a smartphone to shoot myself. Another thing you have to know that most of my videos are not profitable because of copyrights. But I want to show you something else in another video with another CPM, where I actually get a better profit with less views. With only 215k, I can see that my revenue are half of the 1 million views video.
Excuse me?
And the reason why is because the CPM here is a little bit higher. It's 4.84 euros. So I clearly understand from my experience now that it's better to avoid any kind of third-party content and to switch the niche in the most profitable way, because there is a lot of job behind a YouTube channel. Something that gets me really big, huge trouble: the sharing copyright. Based on Social Blade, I should have done this kind of amount, but it wasn't. So this will be my goal for 2021. Also, I was very busy with vocal coaching. I wasn't able to be constant and to be more focused into my channel. Incredible, YouTube monetized me immediately. Once YouTube realized that you are a good creator, you have finally reached your goals. But I didn't know the things that I know today.
Oh,
if you are specialized in something, will gives you the power to grow and to be appreciated. I want to help myself and all of you to turn your followers into your clients, because a lot of people are not aware of the power that YouTube still have today. So it's not too late for people who wants to put themselves into this incredible world of YouTube.
show me the money.
YouTube used to push and suggest my video. Why? Because YouTube earned a lot of money from me, from everybody. For sure, YouTube is your friend in this case. That's why I decided to step away a little bit from the music, because I realized how to get more profits. And this is what I'm going to teach you on my channel, showing you the changing of revenues, changing niches. I see you on the next. Ciao. Subscribe.